Hello students, welcome to the online class. Today we are going to discuss about the first lesson from your Joyful Learning book, The Sentence. So let us start. So students, here you can see grass, green, cow, eats. Does the above make any sense? No. Let us rearrange the same group of words as a cow eats green grass. So does this make sense? Yes. So we learned that a group of words when arranged together in the correct order and makes complete sense is called a sentence. So students, in previous classes you have learned about what is a sentence. So here is in box it is also given. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. So students, let's read about or let's discuss about kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. What are they? Number 1 is assertive or declarative sentence. Number 2 is interrogative sentence. Number 3 imperative sentence, and number 4 exclamatory sentence. So students, let's discuss about the sentences. So students, when I am reading these, see carefully and listen carefully. First one is assertive or declarative sentence. These types of sentences provide information about someone or something. Assertive sentences begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. So students, look at these sentences. Number 1 is the food was tasty. Our school is green and clean. My father works hard. I reach school at 7:25 a.m. So students, you can see some of the informations are given in these words. So declarative sentence always gives us information and it gives us statements. So let's go for the number B, interrogative sentence. A sentence which asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. All interrogative sentences begin with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. So students, interrogative sentences are normally formed from helping verbs or WH words. Look at this group of words, students. Where is my pen? Which school do you go to? How do you play the guitar? Are your parents at home? Have you done your work? So students, here you can see interrogative sentence is about asking question. It's normally formed from helping verbs or WH words such as what, when, where, who, whose, whom and why. Next, go for the C number, imperative sentence. Imperative sentences express a command or request or advice. All imperative sentences begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Look at these sentences. Be quiet. Give me a glass of water, please. Do not cut trees. So here you can see, students, imperative sentence express a command, a request or advice. It's always begin with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Let's go for the last one, exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling or surprise. An exclamatory sentence may begin with an interjection and end with an exclamation mark. So look at these sentences. What a beautiful scene! How well she sings! What a beautiful dress! Hurrah! India on the match! So here you can see exclamatory sentence expresses strong feelings or surprise. It may begin with an interjection and end with an exclamation mark. So students, look it carefully. It can help you to remember 4 kinds of sentences. Thank you.